Here we go, man. Here we go. Let me get a little light so you can see me. Yes, man. For the very first time you watching this video, man, please tap in. I got some information for you, right? Hi, my name is Sherman Owens. I am a licensed 50 state loan officer, credit advocate, wholesaler, okay? I personally am an investor. I buy property from right here at the land bank for $3,000. If you're interested in purchasing property for $3, $5, and $7 to $10,000, then listen into this video because this video is for you. Let me spin my camera around so I'm gonna give you a little bit of background of what I'm talking about, and just so some people that want to see, because I'm talking right, but I know I got some people that really want to see what I'm talking about. So let me spin it around. Let me spin this around. Let me spin. Okay, you see right there, man. Land bank starting bid $3,000. I got a list of 10 properties. Those are the addresses. I'm going around writing the videos, how they look, their condition. You see right here. Payments must be certified check, money order, wire transfer. Okay. June 26, 2024. Right? Land bank. $3,000, man. Let's go. This what you gonna get. Yeah, complete rehab. Now, you're gonna get deeds in hand in 10 days. We ain't talking about tax certificates. We talking deeds in hand when you win the bid for whatever number you need. You see the roof? Look pretty okay, but I'm gonna just say, let's get on the inside. Let's go through, but this is it. And I'm gonna tell you, right, y'all better give me some likes and some subscribe. Man, do y'all see the jungle that I just had to come through to even get back here to see this house? Do y'all even have to see? So, yeah, this what we doing, man. This what we doing. Got a little shed here. He got a little lock on it. But we're gonna come around this here way. And come on in. You're gonna need a new roof, or at least a new ceiling. I can see so far. Flows look like you're gonna need some flows. Ooh, God. Whole little thing done sunk in. I'm kind of scared to walk through. I ain't gonna lie. But the whole flows are gone. You can't see it. But it look like it's a 3-bedroom. I can't get back there because he ain't got no. You'll need some new flows. I can tell you that now. But you can't get back there. But for the most part, we talking $3,000 and $5,000 property, man. 3-bedroom, looked like maybe a 1 or 2 bath. Like I say, the flows in there was gone, so I ain't had nothing stable to walk on. You know, the joists, I don't know how long this property has been sitting here in this decapitated state. But yeah, that's what we got on the list. Let me spin my camera around. No, I want y'all to see this jungle. Make sure y'all give me some likes and subscribe just for even coming through this jungle, man. I'm telling you. But behind that jungle, okay, the jungle is where the jewels lie. So what we saying is this, y'all. Let's put this into prospect. Yeah, I'm doing a little sweat, man. Y'all gotta give me some likes just for the sweat, man. It's hot out here in Georgia right now. But guess what? It's that time of the year, man. You know what I'm saying? But this is what we talking about. Let's put some things into perspective. This 2024. Okay? Just everybody done got their little tax money, whoop, 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 got this little money, that little money from here, there, and the bill, right? You know what I'm saying? Even everybody doing their little thing, however you doing it. But we talking $3,000, y'all. We go on vacations for $3,000. Rims costing $3,000. Clothes costing $3,000. You could get a credit card and buy this for $3,000. Now you talking about, yeah, you got this little thing and it look oh so raggedy, right? But you got deeds in hand, something that you could say that you own, right? And you could potentially pass that down for a few generations to help someone in your family come up out of some of them ruts that you know what I'm talking about when I say them little ruts that's in life, right? So here it is, you talking $3,000. Now you got this in hand, right? Okay, you got the deeds in hand. If you got the capital, you could outright put your capital and your money into it and bring this back to life and put it back on the market for 150. Easy, right? Something that you got for $3,000-$5,000 at an auction. Maybe you put 60, 70,000 into a rehab. You get what I'm saying? And you sold this for 150. Okay? That's what we're talking about now. Okay, now just say, okay, Sherm, man, I might got the $5 grand, but bro, I ain't got no $60,000, $70,000. But guess what? That's okay too. That's okay too. Cause guess what? Guess what? Sherman is an all 50 state loan officer. So Sherman could give you a DCLR loan, right? So now you got rent and you could rehab this property, right? Because remember, you can't live in that right now. You know, you gotta do some things. You can't get no FHA and VA or USDA and no first time home buyers loan when you rehabbing a property that's in this condition. But what you can do, especially if you got a 620 credit score, you know what I'm saying, and you got that little capital that you got behind you, right? You could easily get a hard money loan where a person gonna look at the potential equity in this property, look at the equity in this property, right, and match that up with your credit score and lend you the amount of money that you need to do the rehab, right? And then they gonna get them little 5, 6, or 7% for lending you that money. But you still made money, because remember I told you, you got this for $5 grand, you put 70 in it, but you sold it for 150. So if that interests you and more information like that, listen, go back and check out some of my videos. I don't care what social media platform you watching me on. I drop all my videos on all the channels. So if what I'm telling you interests you, even if you have that credit issue, say, hey man, I ain't got that credit together right now. Well, guess what? I can help you with that as well. You understand? I can help you with that as well. I can show you testimonies and track records of people that I've personally helped, right? If you're trying to get your business together and get that 80, that 90 paydex score up, right? And them 80 to 90 days, and you really want to take your game to the next level, then tap in with your boy, because I'm dropping jewels like this, and we got the mentor thing going on too. Listen, man, share this video, man, with 10 men. You understand it? Because I'm trying to really help some other brothers, and that's why my brand is Stand Up, man, because I personally been through some things in life, just like I know my brothers been through some things in life. So I'm here to kind of reach back and grab my brother's hand and pull them along with me, man. So if that's you, man, share this video, tap in with your boy, and I got all type of freebies. Don't forget to check in that description, because I got something for you. Don't forget, like I say, to check in that description, because I got some freebies that I drop in all my videos. You just got to stay to the end and know that I drop some game for you. So get that freebie that's in the book, man, and peace until the next time, because I got some more properties, and it's hot out here, and I got some more properties I got to see. But y'all be good and be blessed until the next one, man. Peace.